Welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero, where we offer complete video courses that take fresh beginners all the way to fluency, from HSK 1 all the way to HSK 6. From our HSK 3 video course, we selected this lesson and made it available on YouTube for a limited time only. Enjoy.
Here's a typical subject-verb-object sentence. My brother ate the cake. Often, we switch things around by saying, the cake was eaten by my brother. This is called the passive voice. Why do we do that? Because we can put more emphasis on what happened to the cake rather than what happened to the brother. Is it important to learn it? Yes. Every time you want to say, I was tricked, he was caught, my head was blown away, or my camera was stolen, we all need to use the passive voice. So how do you make a passive voice in Chinese? It's actually pretty straightforward. You take the typical subject-verb-object sentence and then move the object to the front and add 被 right after the object. Object 被 subject verb. For example, 弟弟吃完蛋糕了 becomes 蛋糕被弟弟吃完了。被 expresses the by in the cake was eaten by my brother. Next, 男朋友影响了我。In the 被 sentence, 我被男朋友影响了。Another example, 风刮跑了我的帽子 becomes 帽子被风刮跑了 or simply 帽子被刮跑了 without having to specify the wind. Another example, 谁拿走了我的照相机 becomes 我的照相机被谁拿走了。So there you have it. Object, 被, subject, verb, expresses the passive voice. 被 can also be replaced with 让. For example, the cake was eaten by my brother. 蛋糕被弟弟吃完了. We can also use 让. 蛋糕让弟弟吃完了. As we have seen in Grammar 3.19.2, 让 can also mean make. The exam makes me nervous. 考试让我紧张。让 here also can mean by, like the cake was eaten by my brother. 蛋糕让弟弟吃完了。So 让 can mean make somebody do something, or it can mean by somebody. 蛋糕让弟弟吃完了。Let's take a look at a dramatization.
Eh? 蛋糕都让你吃完了？
好吃。
怎么了？蛋糕让他
吃完了。我被男朋友影响了。In this case, if you say 我让男朋友影响了, that could mean I let the boyfriend affect something else rather than I'm affected by my boyfriend. So 我让男朋友影响了 it's better to be expressed with 被我被男朋友影响了。Yet another way of expressing the passive voice is with 叫. It's used exactly the same way as 让 and 被。帽子让风刮跑了 becomes 帽子叫风刮跑了。考试让我紧张 becomes 考试叫我紧张。我让男朋友影响了 becomes 我叫男朋友影响了。Just like 让，叫 can also mean make somebody do something. So in this case, it's better to use 被 instead to avoid ambiguity. So there you have it. You can express the passive voice with any one of the three particles, 被, 叫, or 让. If you want to modify it, the modifier needs to go in front of 被叫让. For example, you can negate it by saying 问题还没有被解决呢. 被 becomes 没有被. 问题还没有被解决呢. The problem hasn't been solved yet. 病人还没被送到医院呢. The patient hasn't been sent to the hospital yet. 下个月他会被妈妈送到美国. 会 expressing will. She will be sent by her mom to the United States. 下个月他会被. So 会 goes in front of 被. 我们经常被别人认错. Here 经常 is modifying 被别人认错. So 经常 goes in front of 被. Just remember, whatever modifies the verb goes in front of 被.
If you found this lesson useful, you'll love our complete HSK3 video course, which includes 187 videos that will teach you grammar and vocabulary, help you complete pair activities, and test your writing with dictation exercises. This course also comes with quizzes, interactive flashcards, and Chinese character worksheets. Our course uses a textbook called HSK3 Standard Course, which you need to buy from a bookstore. The first unit of each course is available as free preview. Just scroll down to the curriculum section and click Preview. To browse our collection of courses, click the square button on the screen. Keep in mind that once you buy a course, you have it forever. Say goodbye to monthly subscription fees. Buy once, enjoy forever, plain and simple. The pricing is very affordable. Join us on the way to Chinese mastery, and I'll see you in the course.